Morning, guys. Taking the CRV to work today. Well, I usually always take it to work, but last time you guys saw I took the Civic to work. But yeah, what's going on, guys? Today is not even gonna be like a car vlog basic or whatever. I'm literally just gonna explain to you guys what's going down for next week. If a lot of you don't know, well, a lot of you don't know, because you guys don't follow me on Instagram. If you don't have me on Instagram, you're slacking. You should follow me on Instagram because I post everything on Instagram first. So next week Saturday, well, this week Saturday coming up, I have like my first kind of like car meet kind of thing. It's not really, it's just like a car meet slash like just to, you know, hang out and meet a couple of you guys. But I'm doing like a toy drive, basically like a Toys for Tots, just for like people that are local and, you know, people that wanted to come out and meet me and stuff like that. Always happens. Yeah, because I know I was supposed to throw a like end of summer car show and I didn't. Not a car show, I meant like a car meet. I told you guys I was gonna throw like a, you know, end of summer car meet. I never threw it, so I know I slacked off on that. But yeah, basically it's just to give back to the kids and stuff like that. You know, I've never done anything like this. I've wanted to do it for a while, just never really. Every year, T-Mobile and, you know, all those stores, they do like a Toys for Tots themselves. So basically everything that I'm gonna get, I'm gonna give it back to my wife's store, and then my wife's store donates it to Toys for Tots for the kids that don't have anything, that live in shelters and stuff like that for you know, for Christmas. So overall, it's a good experience. You know, I wanted to do this just because, you know, I wanted to just do something good for the community, and I wanted you guys to join me. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you are gonna show up. A lot of you don't even know that I'm gonna be doing this like this car meet thing or whatever, because you guys don't have me on Instagram. A lot of people on YouTube don't have me on Instagram. So if you don't have me on Instagram, follow me at Steven Ocasio. Same thing as YouTube, same exact thing. Just an update, radio is fixed. Got it to work. Alright, chill. Before I get copyrighted. But yeah, guys, so it's gonna be me. I'm not sure if Julio's gonna make it because yeah, Julio was driving his car the other day. Did like a hit, and third gear, something happened in third gear, and yeah, the trend does not come out of gear. So probably the shift forks probably bent or something, or the shift, something on the trans got fucked up again. So you gotta fix that. And the car doesn't have insurance anymore, so he's transferred it over to the CRV. So yeah, I'm not sure if Julio's gonna make it. I know my boy Drew said he's gonna probably most likely make it. So I'm not too sure how many people is gonna be able to make it. So hopefully Julio shows up. I know Drew's gonna show up. I'm not too sure of my other friends that are gonna show up, but as long as you guys are there, that's all that matters, you know, to do something good for the community, for the kids. It's gonna be, it's in by my house. It's gonna be, I'm guessing the area is still like Brooklyn or Queens, but it's in Forest Park. If you put Forest Park, you guys will see it, and it's gonna be in the parking lot. So the parking lot's like a big, huge parking lot where they don't really mess with you, and we're just gonna be hanging out. So it should be a good time. Remember, guys, the toys have to be brand new. They cannot be like used. Toy for Tots does not accept, you know, used toys or whatever. So it's not my rule, it's their rule. So it can literally be a $2 toy, a $5 toy. It does not matter what it is. It just, as long as it's a toy, that's all that matters. You're gonna give it to somebody that actually needs it. You know, you're gonna make a kid's Christmas come true. You know, because a lot of kids don't have the life that we have, that we can afford, you know, Christmas gifts and stuff like that. So if you guys are gonna come out, please like this video. Even if you're not coming out, like this video. And if you guys are coming or want to come out or want to know more information, just comment down below. Let me know you guys are coming, so I can know who to expect to come. And yeah, I'm gonna bring out the Civic. The boxes are huge. The boxes are like super big. So my friend Rod, the one that gave me the transmission for the CRV, he's gonna bring his van so he can help me with like the boxes and stuff, because they're humongous. I didn't know how big they were, and they're huge. So they'll fit in the Civic, but like putting the box in the Civic with the toys will definitely not work, because the toys and the box are gonna be way too big. So yeah, my boy Rod's gonna bring his car, well, his van, to help me out. So I appreciate that. Yeah, so it should be it should be a good time. Should be chill. I know saying that it's gonna rain, so As of right now, I'm hoping that it doesn't rain. I'm waiting until maybe like Thursday around there to see what it says, because it says it's gonna snow. I think tomorrow. I think it's, yeah, tomorrow's gonna snow, which is Wednesday, and then it says Thursday is gonna rain. No, it says Thursday's not gonna rain. Friday's gonna rain, and Saturday. If it does rain, then most likely what I'm gonna do is probably just end up changing it to a Sunday. Because I have no choice, because next week I have to take the CRV to get worked on at my dad's job. I gotta take it to use the lift, because they're gonna take the lift out after next week. So I can't do it for next week. So if you guys were trying to make it out, yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna literally wait last minute to see if it rains. If it doesn't rain, then we should be good. And if you guys are real ones, you guys would go on my Instagram, see the flyer, post it on your stories. I'll repost it, tag a friend, whatever you guys want to do. Trying to make this something, you know, kind of big, you know, for, you know, just to have a good turnout. And if it turns out to really be good, then next year, it'll be probably even bigger, and maybe T-Mobile will actually help me with making this like a thing. So who knows? Let's see what happens this year. If it becomes like a good turnout, then next year will definitely be bigger, because I'll plan it within time and everything like that. So guys, been a couple hours, just been working. Just wanted to say, yeah, so on Saturday, let's just try to keep it, you know, cool, calm, collective. Don't like do no crazy burnouts, whatever. You guys want to do burnouts when it's over and when you leave, then yeah, let's just try to keep it, you know, respectful for the people that are going to be there, and that way the cops won't mess with us and give us a hassle, because I don't want this shit to get shut down fast. So this is my first time throwing something like this, you know. I've never done anything like this. The only thing I've done was just like a meetup to go to March Madness, which I'm most likely going to do again 2020. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna just probably, I guess, pick up the camera when I get home. I got like one more delivery, then I go home. Yeah, Civic is definitely gonna be there. My other boy Andrew with the green 4-door, he's not gonna be there, because I don't know if you guys know, his motor blew again. So he is basically doing like a full rebuild on the whole entire car. So he took the motor out, getting the motor rebuild, well, the block rebuild. Gonna powder coat the engine bay again, a different color. Yeah, just gonna do everything all over again. He's just basically getting the car redone again for March Madness. As for me, I'm just gonna leave the car the way it is. I'm not really gonna do anything else to it. Only thing I'm probably gonna do is just swap out the turbo that's on it right now. That's literally about the only thing I'm gonna do to it. It's getting cold out. Well, it is. It's already cold, so it's gonna become harder and harder to actually do stuff and work on cars. Especially now that my dad is not gonna have the lift anymore at his job. It's gonna be a real pain in the ass now. So it's gonna have to be just like back in the days when it was like 30 degrees and I was outside working on a car. So I don't know. Let's see what happens, guys. But I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get home and see what happens. Again, it looks like I'm in a movie. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I just got home right now. You guys can see Civic is right here. This is how I keep the car, so, you know, with the car cover on it. I looked like this morning. I picked up the car cover and I didn't see any, like, you know, condensation on it. Like, I didn't see any water inside, like I told you I saw last time. So that's good. That means that it was just from the car cover, like some of the car cover being like inside of the car and just being wet. Wow, it looks so weird. What the fuck? But yeah, guys, so that's basically gonna be it. Before I close out the video, I want to show you guys. See, I got the box right here. So look how big this box is. I mean, I think you could fold it, but it's like not. It doesn't have like I think you could fold it here, but it is not really like a fold mark. You see, like I'm bending it. You see, so it's gonna be a little tricky. But look how big this box is. So yeah, I think it'll fit in a Civic. But my friend Ross said he'll bring his van. So, but I have two of these and they stand pretty tall. These are pretty tall. So yeah, there's that, guys. Got two of these, and yeah, I just got home and I'm gonna call it the video. So thank you guys again. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. Let's hit 20,000 subscribers. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. Peace out. Hopefully see you guys on Saturday.